Instax Mini 9 camera. As the name says, it is an instant camera in which you can take a picture and it comes out instantly. Let's find out how instant it is. This camera is selling hot on Amazon and Best Buy during this holiday season. This is on everyone's wish list. I didn't get this as a gift though, I bought it anyways since I wanted to see how it works. Okay, so unboxing is fairly simple. I cheated and already opened it once. So we are missing the plastic bag it comes in. The camera comes with a set of batteries, a close-up lens and a hand strap. There is no need to charge this camera because it does not have any inbuilt battery. You can just carry an extra set of batteries and change them whenever it runs out of juice. After I got home, I realized that this package does not come with the photo paper. You have to spend an extra $15 to get the photo paper. The photo paper comes with the inks embedded, so you just need the paper. Let's take a picture and see how the quality comes out. So here's the picture. It comes out white. But don't freak out like I did. I thought something is wrong with the camera and started shaking the photo. There's no need to shake the photo. You just place it on a flat surface and it will come out nicely. So is it good to take on a trip with you? I'll say no, since the photo paper costs $15 for 20 papers. It will cost you arm and leg to develop too many photos. And you cannot just take photos and store them in any SD card, because there is no provision for that. Also, the photo quality is not that good. So who can use this camera? This is good for those who have a hobby to create a scrapbook or need an instant memory. Also, this is a good gadget to show off in front of your friends. Please let us know in comments, are you going to get this as a gift for your loved ones? Or if you already have this, how do you use it in your day-to-day life? Thanks for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like.